kinontempt nyo
Madam-
na, dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process. Sir, asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? USEC ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo alam. Kita, sumagot. Camera. You need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the president why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin
Oo.
po natin yung batas.
Kaya nga, sir,
House.
sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the president? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Kita, sumagot. Camera. My question now to the administration, is revenge from the grave a crime? So I have to die first. They have to kill me first. So now they can't kill me anymore unless they want to die. Remember, they are known for political persecution. They suppress and oppress opposition. They assassinated their political enemy. Ang hindi lang po nagawa ni Benigno Aquino Jr., hindi siya nakaganti kasi hindi siya nagbilin. But you know, Benigno Aquino Jr. is not Sara Duterte. So that's the playbook. Yes, lahat ng galaw ko, lahat ng ginagawa ko, kung saan ako, alam niya, alam nila, ganito ang gagawin sa security mo, imo-monitor ka. Oh, that's one threat. Well, that is a possibility. You see what they're doing right now? They are undermining my security. Hindi ko pa dinidiscuss ang galing sa PNP. Diba, meron kayong mga naririnig ng akusasyon ng nakawan dito sa ating gobyerno. Naririnig nyo ba na millions ang ninanakaw? Hindi, diba? Ang naririnig nyo, billions ang ninanakaw. Napakaliit na amount ang 150 million. So bakit kami magnanakaw ng 150 million? Ang problem sa 125, binigay siya sa amin December na. Requirement in government offices, you have to utilize money before December 31. They cannot be divulged in public. It will compromise lives and security of personnel who are cooperating or who are nandoon sa kabila na asset. You cannot. That is why it is called confidential funds.
Sir, if I may, I just got a call from Congressman El Rey. Out of 600 barangays in Naga, 300 are fully submerged, 1,000 fully submerged, unpassable by cars, and they are in urgent need of rubber boats and 6x6 trucks to evacuate people. And it's just beginning, so
Well, for them, in Kamsur, medyo
Paalis na.
Medyo
Yes, sir.
na. Pero
So-
for the rest of Luzon,
yes,
it's not yet even quite begun yet.
that's right. So sila yung nauna. In his words, sir, they're in desperate need. Hindi daw kaya ng local government.
It's really the flooding that we're going to have to deal with. So, anong gagawin natin?
Sir.
Anong gagawin natin?
Sir,